Good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about water and water pollution in a global perspective. My name is Clean Mark Bona.
My name is Justin Reyes Esculubong.
My name is John Lester C. Engay. Next slide, please. Introduction. What is water and why it is vital to all form of life? Water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. Liquid made up two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. It covers most of the Earth's surface and it's found in ocean, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and atmosphere, even underground. Water is vital to all form of life because every living organism depends on it to survive. Next slide, please. How water connects to global issues like health, economy, and environment. Water connects to nearly every global issue. It affects people's health, drives the economy, and sustains the environment. Managing and protecting it wisely is the key to building a healthy, stable, and sustainable world. Next slide, please. Importance of water. Water's role in different aspects of life. Human and health. Human life and health. Water is essential for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and hygiene. Agriculture and food production. Water is vital for growing crops and raise animals. Farmers use it irrigation, which is allow to plants to grow even in dry season. Example, every part of our daily depends on water. We use it only not for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning and sanitation. Next slide, please. Industry and energy. Industries use water to manufacture goods, cool machines, and cleaning products. Ecosystem and biodiversity. Water support lives, rivers like lakes, wetlands, and oceans. Example, industries use water to make every products like clothing, paper, even in our cell phones. Next slide, please. What is water pollution? Water pollution happens when harmful substances mix waters in rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater, making it unsafe for people, animals, and plants. Main cause of water pollution: industrial waste. Factories release chemicals, heavy metals, and toxic materials into rivers and sea. This pollution poisons fish, plants, and even humans who use the contaminated water. Next slide, please. Agriculture, agricultural runoff. Fertilizers and pesticides from farmers wash into rivers and lakes when it rains. This causes agricultural runoff. Fertilizer and pesticide from farmers who wash into the rivers. Agricultural runoff. Fertilizers and pesticides from farmers wash into the rivers and lakes when it rains. This causes algal blooms that reduce oxygen in the water and kill aquatic life. Sewage and domestic waste. Untreated sewage and household waste carry germs and harmful chemicals into water bodies. Example, when fertilizer and pesticide wash into this water, they can cause algae to grow too fast. These algal blooms use up the oxygen and making water to deadly fish. Next slide, please. Oil spill and plastic. Oil spill in ocean coat marine animals and block sunlight from reaching underwater plants. Plastic waste breaks into tiny pieces or microplastic that are eaten by fish and enter the food chain. Water pollution is one of the world's biggest environmental problems. It harms people, animals, and other planets. Water pollution is one of the world's biggest environmental problems. It harms people, animals, and the planet. So protecting and cleaning our our water resources is essential for all life on Earth. Ikaw na, kulubong.
Types of water pollutants. Chemical pollutants, harmful substances made of chemicals that dissolve in water. Examples: heavy metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic from factories. Effect: these chemicals can poison aquatic life and make water unsafe for humans to drink or use. Physical pollutants. These are solid metals that change the look, color of or feel of water. Examples: plastic bottles, bag, and microplastics or sediments. Effect: they make water dirty, block sunlight from reaching underwater plants, and harm fish and other aquatic animals. Biological pollutants. These are living organisms that contaminate water and can cause disease. Effect: they can lead to waterborne disease and make the water unsafe for drinking or swimming. Next slide. Global situation. Around 1 in 4 people globally, 2.1 billion, still lack access to safely managed drinking water. This means many people still don't have water that is available when needed, clean, and free contamination. In 2022, the World Health Organization estimated that 27% of global population, 2.2 billion, did not have safely managed drinking water services. This shows that water pollution and poor sanitation are still major global problems affecting billions of lives. The Ganges River, India, has been classified as the most populated category with extremely high levels of fecal coliform bacteria and heavy industrial contaminations. In summary, millions of people around the world still struggle to clean and safe in safe water. Polluted rivers like Ganges show how industrial waste, sewage, and poor sanitation contribution to the global water crisis. Next slide. Unsafe water, sanitation, and hygiene cause major health burdens in world least developed regions. Up to 80% of illnesses are linked inadequate water service. In older data, it was estimated that over 3.4 million people die each year due to waterborne disease. Among children, among children under 5, many deaths are caused by diarrhea by link to contaminated and poor sanitation.
Effects on water pollution. On humans, water pollution make us waters unsafe to drink, cook, or bathe in. On economics, polluted waters affects fishing, tourism, and agriculture. On animals, polluted water kills fish and other aquatic animals. On environment, water polluted causes serious ecosystem damage. As we can see, water pollution doesn't just harm the environment, it affects everything around us. For humans, polluted water leads to serious health problems like cholera and diarrhea. For animals, it destroys their habitats and poisons them to toxic waste, plastics, and oil spills. Economically, it affects the livelihoods of fishermen and tourism. Fewer clean beaches mean fewer visitors and lost income. And environmentally, it damages coral reefs, wetlands, and entire ecosystem. This shows water pollution isn't just an environmental issue. It's a human, economic, and global issue that affects everyone. Next slide, please. United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. The UN Sustainable Development Goal 6 or SDG 6 aims to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all by 2030. It focuses on providing safe water and improving sanitation systems and protecting water resources from pollution. These global efforts shows how nations and organizations work together to protect our water. The UN Sustainable Development Goal 6 is a global promise to make clean water and sanitation available by 2030. Organizations like WHO, and UNICEF play a huge role. They help prevent waterborne diseases and bring clean water to poor or disaster affected areas. Greenpeace, on the other hand, works to stop big industries from dumping waste into oceans and rivers. Next slide, please. Innovative solutions such as wastewater treatment, waste recycling and reuse, pollution control laws, and community action and education. These are great examples of how innovation and community action can make a big difference. Wastewater treatment and recycling help reduce water usage, which is very important, especially in cities with limited water supply. Pollution control laws ensures that industries don't just dump waste wherever they want. But laws aren't enough. Education and awareness are key. When people understand how their actions impact the environment and become part of the solution. Next slide, please. Conserve water at home, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth, fix leaking faucets, and use water wisely when cleaning or watering plants. Okay. Conclusion: water is one of the most important resources on Earth. It supports human life and animals, industries, and the environment. Everything starts at home. Saving water while brushing, fixing leaks, and joining cleanup drives are simple steps that build a bigger movement. Each drop of water we save helps the planet and in the long run. Even community campaigns can inspire more people to care. Next slide, please. And now, for the next slide, these are the resources we gathered to complete this report. Next slide, please. In the end, everything we discuss comes down to one simple truth. Water is life. It's something we use every single day, yet often take for granted. From drinking and cleaning to growing food and producing energy, water connects all living things. Again, my name is Clay Mark Bona.
Noel Esculubong.
I am John Lester C. Engay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.